Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Catnap with VIP and without VIP. It's not going to be the same, but just let's get into the video. So I'm just going to color my skin black first. And for the rest, I'll just put together like this outfit. Just color that purple. Like that. Also, you'll not be able to obviously get the tail. Get this one. So we're doing the VIP version first. And we're gonna use custom makeup for this. Again, we're doing the VIP first. Like that. Oh, we forgot the cat ears. Okay. We're going to need this one. No feather. And then we're gonna get the tail. This is for the VIP version. I've done a better tutorial on this page, so just search up Catnap tutorial. But for the non-VIP one, we're going to obviously remove the tail and the mask. The rest is non-VIP. Well, and the custom makeup, I'll remove that. But we're going to need the, like, what's this called? I don't remember. You're going to need that. And we're going to color that purple like this. And for the eyes, we're going to need lashes from the codes, which again, you don't need VIP for this. And you're going to color that just black. You can kind of see which toggle works the best. I think the fourth one looks the best because it's like thicker. But yeah, it's not going to be the same, and it's not going to be scary. It's going to be like a friendly Catnap version. But that is pretty much it. This is the non-VIP version. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Don't forget to do the Halloween pose. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.